morning, everybody. Welcome to Pisang Susu's tiny kitchen. Today we're gonna make Awuk Awuk, a gluten-free, sticky rice flour cake. The things you need for this Awuk Awuk are 75 grams of sticky rice flour, 75 grams of sugar, 100 grams of grated coconut, half a teaspoon of vanilla, half a teaspoon of salt, pandan leaves, and some food coloring. I start by mixing everything together. It is that easy. So I'm gonna start with the sticky rice flour or ketan flour, the sugar, vanilla, salt, and then you add the grated coconut. You can use any kind of coconut, but this one is grated more coarsely, so you see. You can, of course, use a fresh coconut. That is even better. This coconut is more wet when you use this. So when I use grated coconut that I buy in a pack, I've added about 3 tablespoons of water to make it a bit moist. You need to mix it well. Now you see it's quite grainy. That's okay. But I like it with a little bit more extra moist. Then the sticky rice flour will be more sticky even. So I add about 2 tablespoons of water and then mixing it again. So now you see this grainy texture, that's good. I'm gonna add half of it to another bowl, because we want to make it 2-layered, 2 colors. You don't have to do it, but it's fun, you know, it's beautiful. And now I'm gonna add the food coloring. You can choose any kind you like. This one is purple, but it doesn't have any flavor. So it's nice, it looks great, but this one is rosin, so made of roses. And this has a lot of flavor, and of course pandan flavor, the green one. I think I want to show you how to make one with the color red or pink. Because we're gonna steam this cake, you need something like this, a plastic bucket or something that's made out of metal, that's also good. And I've layered it with pandan leaf because that is really nice for flavor. And then you can take it out easily. And then you press it, not too hard, it's not necessary. So that's layer 1. And there, the colored layer, that's so nice. You can make 3 layers too, of course. And you can flavor the Awuk Awuk with anything you like. You can use cardamom or maybe palm sugar. We're gonna make a small one today for about 3 to 4 people. Now I've filled up this one. I mean, this is a bigger cake. You can even make it higher if you like. But you can also use these molds. They're perfect for it. And I also line it with pandan leaf because then you can take them out easily. And then you get this shape. So whatever you like. So I'm gonna steam my cake for about 30 minutes. When it's smaller like this, you can steam it for 20. I'm gonna put it into the colander of my rice steamer, and now this goes on top of hot boiling water and boil for 30 minutes. So this is Awuk Awuk, Lulu. What do you think?
It looks really good.
It looks good. You like
and
this
sticky.
kind of and sticky. You see, the pandan works really well. So now I can flip it over. It has cooled down a bit. There you go. I like to leave the pandan on. And it looks good. Look at this. This is such a sweet quay. A simple version, you can say, of Wingo Babat. I've made that too. Shall we try? Mm-hmm. You dare?
Yes.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
I think it's a really good dessert.
It's a really good dessert. Good one. It's chewy, right? And really sweet. I like the rose flavor. But pandan is good too. We have to try this one too. But that's for later. Selamat makan, everybody. I hope you try this one.
Bye.
Bye.